In this video, I'm going to share some of my secrets on how to learn a kickflip as fast as possible. So please don't tell anyone about this. Shh! But first, let's start off with the finger position. So for this trick, you want to place your middle finger at the back of the tail. But you have three options. You can place it in the middle of the tail, near the edge of the tail, or in the midpoint of the edge of the tail. But it's up to you where you feel most comfortable placing your middle finger on the tail. And for the index finger, you want to place it just below the bolts. But you also have two options. You can place it in the middle of the board or near the edge of the board. But again, it's still up to you where you feel most comfortable placing your index finger on the board as long as your finger is still below the bolts. Now you get the finger position down, let's proceed to the popping arc. The next thing you do is pop the tail on the ground with your middle finger just like you would for a regular ollie. If you don't have an ollie yet, I've got a tutorial for the ollie. Go watch that video, link in the description below. Now, the common mistake here is that sometimes the tail doesn't want to pop, or when you do pop it, it looks like it turns into a varial flip at some point. But usually, the main problem here is that the tail isn't popping down onto the ground. So, to fix this problem, make sure you're giving all the weight or put more pressure on the tail with your middle finger. And here's the most important part, which is popping the tail straight down. I repeat, pop straight down. Now, if you're still having trouble popping the tail straight down, is try adjusting your finger position on the tail just like I mentioned earlier. You can place it in the middle of the tail, or near the edge of the tail, or at the center of the edge of the tail. Because the point here is to find your perfect sweep spot on the tail that allows you to give it a good snap and popping the tail down. So remember guys, just give all the weight or put more pressure to your middle finger and then pop the tail straight down. Now you get the popping down, let's move on to the flicking arc. Now, after you pop the tail on the ground, that's when you slide or flick your index finger straight off the nose. However, the common mistake here is that sometimes when I pop the tail, the board won't flip in the air because the real problem is that it won't slide the index finger out of the nose. Now, to solve this problem, you should feel the foam tape when you flick the nose over the board with your index finger. Because otherwise, if you don't feel the flick of the foam tape, what happens here is that you lift your index finger immediately after you pop the tail on the ground. So make sure when you flick your index finger, you should feel the foam tape because that allows you to flip the board in the air properly. Now you got the flicking down, let's proceed to the most important part of the kickflip, and that is the timing arc. So when it comes to this trick, you need to get the timing right between the pop and the flick of the kickflip. For example, make sure that your both fingers are in the right position on the board, then start rolling gently. Once you got some motion, pop the tail down. As soon as it hits the ground, flick your index finger to start to flip in the air, then catch it with your both fingers, land it, then roll away smoothly. Alright guys, pay attention to this video and you'll see what I mean. Roll, pop, and flick. Again, roll, pop, and flick. Again, one more time. Roll, pop, and flick. Now, if you're still struggling or getting confused with the timing, a helpful trick tip is to imagine you're just doing an ollie. Try not to think of it like you're doing a kickflip. Just imagine like you're just doing a simple ollie instead. Once you pop the tail down like a regular ollie, that's when you flick your index finger straight off the nose of the board. And so the best thing to do is just pop the tail down like an ollie first, then flick with your index finger out of the nose, let it flip and rotate, then land it with your both fingers and roll away clean. And those are my secret technique for a kickflip. I hope this trick tip helps you. Comment down below what kind of trick tip tutorial you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.